Hello, so we are here today for a review of the Victorinox Huntsman. 91 millimeters in length. We have 21 millimeters width, and it's about 97 grams. So we'll see. So it's the 1.3713. So we have the big blade and the small blade. Really good quality as usual. We have the can opener, the bottle opener, with a little flathead screwdriver, and here a bigger flathead screwdriver. We have the scissors, really efficient. And we have the wood saw, really good one too, really like that. And on this side we have the corkscrew. So that is something I did myself, the mini screwdriver, but you can buy it, it's really cheap. We have the multi-purpose hook, and we have the reamer here. So it has 15 functions, and the price it's about 40 euros here in Europe. But you can find it cheaper. Personally, I bought it around I think it was 29 euros, so around 10 euros less expensive. So that's it for today. See you next time!
Quiet's driving me insane. Silence rattles in my brain. Yeah, I gotta get away.